Yes, N. Balasubramanian. He is the chairman of Southern India Regional Council. The Institute of Company Secretaries of India is set up under an Act of Parliament. And we have our headquarters in Delhi. We have 4 regions. One is Eastern region in Calcutta. Second is Western region in Mumbai. Third is Northern region in Delhi. And fourth is Southern region, which is in Chennai at Nogumbakam, and our chairman happens to be the N. Balasubramanian. We have around 72 chapters in all across India so far as the institute is concerned, and we have around 65,000 approximate members. We have around 65,000 approximate members and around 3,50,000 students so far as all India presence is concerned. So far as the institute is concerned, you will find that in order to become a company secretary, the first stage is that you have to be register yourself for company secretary executive examination test. That is called as CSEET. You pass that CSEET, then you need to enroll to an course called as executive program. Once you register into an executive program, you pass that executive program, then you do into a professional program. Once you pass out a professional program, then you will have to undergo training and then you become a company secretary. And the institute is the only authority or only agency which is recognized to become the company secretary under the Act of Parliament. Now, during COVID-19, the institute has taken various initiatives for the benefit of members, for the benefit of students. Whether for the information of all of you, when most of the institutes, most of the educational institutes were closed down, we were still working online. We had conducted the first CSEET exam by a remote proctored mode. So remote proctored mode means through a laptop, through a desktop which has got a camera, we conducted the exam so far as the student is concerned, and student had written, good number of students had written the exam and have passed and progressed to executive. The executive as well as professional exams are conducted in the month of December and is conducted in the month of June. So every year there are 2 exams which take place. So December exam which concluded, the result which will be coming on February 25th. And the June exam which is going to come, the result will be on August 25th. So the date of exam, date of results are fixed. So there is no change so far as the date of exam or date of result is concerned. Company secretaries are called the governance professional. They are, the moment they pass, after passing, they are appointed as a compliance officer. They are appointed as a governance professional. We can be employed or we can enter into a practice. In other words, we can start as an entrepreneur the moment we pass out our company secretary by taking our certificate of practice. So you can get employment, you can also be starting your own practice. We all 3 members who are present on dais, you will find we 3 are in practice. In other words, we create more employment to the younger generation. We are in company secretary in practice. So we give more and more employment to the others rather than we joining some other companies. So you can either get employment or you can join as you can start your practice as a company secretary in practice. Second thing is, there are doctors, there are engineers, there are chartered accountants, there are cost auditors, then there are various other services, but none of them are having a mandatory employment guarantee which company secretary is having, because under the regulation, under the Companies Act 2013, Rule 8A talks about mandatory employment of company secretary in case if a company is having a paid up share capital of more than 10 crores. So any company having a paid up share capital of more than 10 crores you will have that a company secretary will be there so far as those companies are concerned. So in other words, it is a guarantee for most of the professional. Presently you will find in economic sense, you have something called as a demand, you have something called as a supply. So the demand for the company secretary is very huge because the supply of the company secretary is very limited. The percentage passing is very less, and therefore there is a huge demand so far as the professionals are concerned. So you will find many companies, you will find for example companies like Reliance, companies like Mahindra's, they are employing n number of company secretary. To give a simple example, in Reliance we have around 200 company secretary in that particular companies. We are manning various roles and responsibilities. So company secretary does not do only company secretarial work. They are into legal, they are into HR, they are into taxation, they are into finance, they are into various components. So in other words, company secretary who plays a very important role, because once he passes out, he reports to the board of directors of the company. So when he has to report to the board of directors of the company, he has to have that knowledge pertaining to finance, he has to have the knowledge on taxation, he has to have the knowledge on HR. So in other words, he is generalist of all those particular area and specialist of company corporate laws, and therefore he is having that additional niche in the area of professional employability as well as in practice. So this is so far as the institute is concerned. Many initiatives are taken. Digital revolution, in view of COVID-19, you will find we have conducted series of webinars. First, in order to ensure that all our members, all our student mindset is not affected because of negativity of COVID-19. So first what we did is, we did all the programs for the improvement of mindset, bringing that positive energy back by virtue of organizing various programs through various scholars like Shri Ravi Shankar Guruji, Shri Vireshananda Saraswati, Ramdev Guruji, many other members who have come, who are very notable in the society. So they had come, they had addressed all these students, all these members. Similarly, many of the ministers, both in the union cabinet as well as locally in various state government, including chief ministers, came and addressed our members not only in pursuit of professional excellence. So we had Piyush Goyal ji, we had Nitin Gadkari ji, we had many ministers had come, Smriti Irani ji, so many of them had come, addressed our Kiran Rijiju ji, then from Narayana Hospital we have Dr. Devi Shetty. So many people, luminaries had come, addressed all our members for the purpose of building the future, for the purpose of giving more and more professional advice to our members. Because competition is everywhere, world is changing, India is changing, so we need to know more about the professional excellence. So companies, Institute of Company Secretaries, you will find play a very important role. As you will find, Army, Navy, Air Force are there for the purpose of security of the nation. Similarly, Institute of Company Secretary is there for the security of the economy of the country. And we as a company secretary play a very important role in that particular connection. Various recognitions, relaxations have been given by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, by Securities Exchange Board of India, which has helped all our professionals, and many more recognitions are due to come because of the outstanding work, outstanding services being rendered by the company secretary. So my suggestion, my request is to all the members from the media, that request all of you to kindly message this to all the youngsters, especially to those rural areas where our students are dynamic, especially in rural areas, but they don't know about a course called as company secretary. So they may not be aware of. So if you give more wider publicity to talk about that there is an Institute of Company Secretary and they can play a very important role, are playing an important role, so that will help those particular students. Similarly, we have many programs, certificate courses, crash courses, membership courses, and various awards are there. We have entered into various memorandum of understanding with Indian Institute of Management. In fact, yesterday we had signed one memorandum of understanding with the Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta. We have signed till date 17 MOUs with all the Indian Institute of Management, and we have signed till today around 44 memorandum of understanding with various universities across India. So what is this MOUs for? This memorandum of understanding is going to help our professionals so that they can go to these universities, they can go to these IIMs, they can give their special lectures, they can give, because these students who are there in IIMs, they may be learning, they may be becoming future leaders, but they may not be having those practical experience which a 15-year-old person, 20-year-old person, 30-year-old person. So all those niche person will be coming, addressing them and talking about practical issues which are there, so that those leaders which are created from various institutes can become a role model. So therefore, in a memorandum of understanding, similarly they will come, there will be an advantage for both Indian Institute of Management, universities, as well as for the Institute of Company Secretaries. Similarly, all of you know that corporate social responsibility is one of the most important thing today, CSR. So though we are a Section 8 company under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, we also think that we also, even though we are a non-profit making organization, we should also contribute to the society. So in that connection, what we do is, there is something called as Shaheed Ki Beti certificate. What is the Shaheed Ki Beti certificate? Shaheed Ki Beti certificate is nothing but any programs, any seminars, any webinars, or any chief guest, or any guest of honor, any keynote speaker, or any institute, we give either some cash award, we give some memento, we give a bouquet, we give something to the speakers, guests. So instead of giving those particular amount, memento, bouquet, what we do is we give a Shaheed Ki Beti certificate, and that particular Shaheed Ki Beti certificate amount is collected and it is being contributed to the Ministry of Defence, so that they can use for the children of the martyrs. So we give back to them, so that the martyr's daughter can use those particular money. So every year we contribute almost to the extent of 25 lakhs on account of this Shaheed Ki Beti certificate, which is collected from the various 72 chapters what we have across India. We have 4 overseas centers, not only in UK, we have in Dubai, we have in US, and we have in Singapore. So any member of our profession who wants to go abroad for the purpose of employment, our overseas centers also helps them for various helping hand to those members who wish to relocate to US, UK, or other places. So therefore, a big opportunity for all the members, all the students, if they join our course. So my request to all the media people is, if you talk about our course, you will find more and more students will get benefit, and they will all bless you for the employability, for the future, what you have created because of joining in our institute course. Any question? You are all welcome.
When company secretaries, every year hostel is fixed or it is?
No. See, this is a professional course. So when you talk about a professional course, there is nothing called as a fixed percentage. Only 10% will pass, 7% will pass. What happens is, because the expectation of industry is more, so you have to be the students who are passing, as I said, that they will be directly reporting to the board of directors of the company. So when they are reporting to the board of directors of the company, they should know thoroughly, they should know each and every aspect, what is there under various laws in force, what is there under the stock exchanges rules, regulations, SEBI LODR, what we call as listing regulation. They should know about company law, they should know about corporate law, they should know about state laws, they should know about each and every aspect. So in order to train them in our course curriculum, there is a 21 months training for the students, for whom the students get trained in a company or in a practicing company secretary, and company secretary in practice or employer pay them a stipend. So the stipend may range from 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000. For example, Muru Group probably they may be paying around 10, 15, 20,000 to those particular students who after passing the executive join over there for the purpose of training. So similarly, big groups are there. Cholamandalam group is here. Many big groups are there. So it again depends upon a student. If a student is very good, you will find companies, practicing professional will be more and more interested to keep the student with them. So therefore, you will find that there is no fixed percentage. Depending upon how the student is, you will find the percentage increases or decreases.
Because for example, CA, they say it is fixed.
There is nothing, even in CA also there is nothing called as fixed.
Okay.
It is all a professional course, whether it is our course or other. There are only 3 institutes which is being recognized by the Act of Parliament. One is Institute of Company Secretaries of India, second is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and Institute of Cost Accountants of India.
How many students are passing out in years, right? The company secretaries?
The percentage wise it would be around 13 to 14%, depending upon how many numbers. See, you cannot say now the results are going to be on February 25th. The results are going to be announced. So we will also not be having the information only once, because we as a council, there is a separate examination department. There is a Chinese wall, because we would not like to connect ourselves with the examination department. There is a big Chinese wall, so that nobody should influence. It is a separate, we are separate, they are separate so far as the results and examination, holding of examination is concerned, because confidentiality issues are there.
These exams are easy, like CET is very tough, because cracking C's they find very difficult. What about this company secretaries?
See, to be very frank, nothing is difficult in life unless you attempt, unless you try, unless you prepare yourself. We know there is a mango tree. Unless you make an attempt and throw a stone, mango is not going to fall down. You make an attempt, you thoroughly, you are going to pass. Only thing is, dedication should be there, perseverance should be there, and patience should be there. If these 3 are there, and priority. What is the priority of a student? Whether watching TV is a priority, watching Talaiva is a priority, or watching cricket is a priority, or in social media, WhatsApp and all is a priority, or studying is a priority. So therefore, if a student decides that yes, my priority is first, let me pass out the exam, and you enjoy today. There is a old saying, if you enjoy today, you will repent tomorrow. But if you do a hard work today, you will enjoy tomorrow. So therefore, I am sure that all those students who are giving their hard work with perseverance, with dedication, with zeal, enthusiasm, definitely they will pass out with flying colors. So it depends upon the student mindset, but they should be practical. Only academic knowledge probably may take to some level, but practical orientation should also be there. Yes,
there is a big change in this education system overall this year. So will that affect this course in any way or any changes?
No, it will not affect any course. In fact, that will be also a boon for us. So we are also in our curriculum, in our study material. We are also every year, every 5 years, in the Institute of Company Secretaries, every 5 years we revise our content of the material. Every 5 years, depending upon what is happening in the market. Any new thing is coming up which our students should be aware of. With change is always constant. That is only the permanent which is there. Change is always permanent. So therefore, our students should also be aware of all those changes. So our study material are revamped once in 5 years. So similarly, already the National Education Policy which has been released, we are also making some tweak changes which will help our students, because already in national education policy talks about more about practical exposure, which is already there in our curriculum by virtue of 21 months training. Plus there is a, after passing, there is a program called as CLDPP. CLDPP means our students should like IAS officers. When IAS officers, when a person passes his UPSC exam, you have in I think in Mussoorie, they have a training center where all the IAS budding IAS officers are called upon and trained. Similarly, on those lines, we have started called as a CLDPP, where our members who have passed company secretaries will have to go for a rigorous training of 60 days in a residential program, in a residential of ICSI, which we have in southern in Hyderabad, in northern, which is going to come up in Manesar, in east in Calcutta, which is going to come up, and in west we have a CCGRT in Navi Mumbai. We already have we have big centers with very good infrastructure. So therefore, another 2 locations are yet to come. Building is in progress. So therefore, you will find it gives an opportunity for those students to hone their skills, to participate and do best for not only for themselves but for the institution.
I have a question about the remote proctored examinations that you conducted. Was there a decrease in the number of students who attempted the exams this year?
There are 2 ways to look into. For an entrance examination test, since this was the first time which we started, naturally students would be more, first normally what happens is in the mindset of students, what is this new thing which has come up, computer based exam, how it will be conducted. So there are students, and coupled with the negativities of COVID-19, there is no dip as such, but it has happened, the registration happened in a phased way. So you will find in our CSEET, there were 3 exams which were conducted in last year, for which the staggered registration had taken place so far as the CSEET is concerned. So student first initially wanted to know what exactly it is. So always you will find there will be first time always there will be some resistance to know, because students does not know what will happen, what happens. See, in a remote proctored mode, what happens is, even if a slightest, if I see somewhere, supposing this is a laptop, and if I see Mr. X who is present over here, the laptop will capture. So it may give a warning saying whether I am copying, asking some questions, or if supposing if I blabber, so it will capture. Somebody movement, somebody going backside, it will capture. My eyes, if it is going here or there, it will capture. If I am having a mobile, all those things will be captured. So first time it will always, there will be a small resistance from the students. But I am very happy to inform you that so many students have registered so far as CSEAT concerned. I do not have the exact data right now immediately of your question, but I expect around 10,000 students have registered during that particular point of time for registration, and it is done in staggered. So first exams were held somewhere in June, July the exams were held, then in August, September it was held, and then in December. So you have, by virtue of a staggered mode, 10,000, like that you will find, and it was somewhere increasing. Exact number I can forward it to you.
So were they attempting these exams from their homes, or did they have?
From their homes. Options were given to those members, those students. If supposing they have a laptop, in case they have a computer, they have a computer desktop along with the camera, and in case if they are comfortable, they can give from their home. But in case supposing a student does not have a laptop, does not have a computer, he can go to any cyber cafe, he can sit over there and he can give the exam. So options were given to the students. The only option which was not given was not to use the mobiles.
Another thing, you were also talking about fewer number of. How well was this received in the rural areas of the country?
In rural areas, in fact, it was well received in the other part of the country, other part of the states, and that is why we thought that when we are coming over in southern part, I belong to neighboring state of Karnataka. I am from Bangalore. We find that in other parts the reception so far as in the rural areas are concerned was really good, really went, and we thought that a state like Tamil Nadu or southern state, we are all proud of our state. We are all proud of southern India, and which is more giving more and more intellectuals. Even if you see that the brain, we say that in India the brain comes from the south. That is what we all calls about. And if you see in that direction, even our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman madam is also hails from Trichy. She also hails from our state here. So in other words, I am trying to say is the brain part is over here, and that is why I request all of our friends over here that kindly give more and more weightage about this, so that our rural students who are there, who are really educative, who are really knowledgeable, but they don't know about the course. So that's why a major impetus to be given to them, so that they can register. Because many of them, they know only one, they know either engineering or they know about a chartered accountancy course, but many or engineering course, but they are all doctor, but they may not be aware of other courses. So if a spread of messages been given by virtue of publicity and so many recognition coming to the company secretary for the outstanding services, for the work what company secretary does to the society, I am sure that they will also have a big role to play for the nation development. So therefore, because students are very, very energetic so far as the rural students are concerned.
So what is the minimum eligibility for this course?
The minimum eligibility is 10 plus 2, 12. So once you pass out your 12, you have to register for CSEET and you have to pay only an amount of 1000 rupees so far as the CSEET is concerned. After passing, you come out to executive, and the executive, the module as well as the professional module. The total of that, the expense portion in terms of an investment, it may not be even more than 15,000 rupees. And stipend what you get after passing, just stipend as a trainee, not as a company secretary, as a trainee, you will get around 5,000 to 10,000 to 15,000 depending upon company to company. So in other words, you will find that it is a investment so far as the student life is concerned. Second thing is that so far as the you will find various initiatives have been taken by the institute. One such initiative for student registration is that what we have done is state of Jammu and Kashmir, people, students from Ladakh, Northeast, we have given an free education to them. So anyone who wants to register who are from the students of Jammu and Kashmir, no money will be charged to them. They can freely register our course and pass with the solely intention of a social responsibility that let them come into the mainstream of our Bharat. So therefore, in that direction, various initiatives were taken. Okay. Madam had asked about the registration, about CSEET registration. August 2020, we have, when you will find that COVID time was there, you will find 13,601 registration had taken place. I had given a rough number of 10,000, so it is much more than that. Maybe I was more, what we say, conservative so far as the number is concerned. So it is much more than that. In November, it has increased to 15,190. 15,190. And you will find every time it goes on increasing so far as the numbers are concerned. This number of COVID I had given because a specific question on COVID was asked, whether what happened, whether the number of registration has dipped. So there is a huge potential, demand is there, but supply is limited. Supply is limited because only those who are really capable of giving best to the society is concerned. Because we do not want to pass everybody, and then because they are at the end of the day sitting before the board of directors, guiding them, advising them, mentoring them. Because today you will find the cost of non-compliance is 100 times the more than that of cost of compliance. So if there is one penalty, you will find that it will be in lakhs, it will be in crores. So therefore, there is a huge potential for company secretaries. We have 3 chapters in Tamil Nadu, one is in Coimbatore, one is in Madurai, and another in Salem. So these 3 chapters we have in Tamil Nadu. Any further questions?
Regarding financially for starting
Yes.
entrepreneur,
Sorry, financially?
financially for the students to become an entrepreneur. In
See,
what way you help
we,
for them?
we see there are 2 ways to look into. A, we help these students who are coming from the weaker section. We help them. But to become an entrepreneur, we facilitate our students by virtue of arrangement with various banks, various financial institutions. So they come through them. So we advise them to go to them and take the necessary financial assistance in case if they want to have, including, in fact, a week before, myself and Vice President, we had to the State Bank of India in Mumbai, because they have in SBI various schemes. So housing loan it may be, personal loan it may be, car loan it may be, educational loan it may be a business loan, it may be an insurance loan. So we have requested them a separate package covering all their products specifically for company secretary at a very attractive rates, which they have promised that they will be coming shortly back to us so that they can provide. Because for a few of the, for example, they provide a separate class for defense. So we have requested them that we are also equally, like I told, like Army, Navy, Air Force, play to the security of our nation. We are also like Army, Navy, Air Force for the economy of the country. So they have come through positively, and in a month's time I am positive that something positive will come. Additionally, benefits will be there for our members and students.
What is this certificate course on women directors online certificate? Is this any way different from what you provide from the
No, there is a difference. So far as certificate courses, crash courses is concerned, there is, see, passing an exam so far as company secretary is concerned, that is different. These are in addition to what knowledge you possess. There are various certificate courses which are there, where line by line item, individual by individual, threadbare analysis is done, practical senior members of the companies are present, various bureaucrats are present, members of high repute, high independent directors who are on the board of various companies, they come and then they talk about, businessman comes in as to what are their vision, what are their expectation, ministry people come as to what are the expectation, what they want about from an independent director, from a woman director, all kind of there is threadbare analysis, and that is certificate course which is done, by virtue of which it will help our members to specialize in that particular area, and then they can act and become an independent director of various companies. So our members also become various independent directors in big multinational companies. So in order to facilitate them, this various certificate course, crash course are being conducted. Each and every one of you for giving me a patient listening. I request each and every one of you to kindly cover this in so that it will help these students and it will help them, and you will be the person who will be creating their future for making them Atmanirbhar, for making them self-reliant. So because this profession gives more individually for practice as well as for employment. And second thing is, it is also best suited for female ladies, where you will find because of marriage she may have to go to some other state, or she may have to drive from Chennai, she may go to Madurai, or she may go to Salem or Thoothukudi or here or there. If she goes, she can still start her own practice going to other part. So therefore a very good niche area so far as the ladies are concerned. So it will help them more so far as the profession is concerned. So thank you very much.
Devendra Deshpande is the Vice President. Our institute headquarters on the New Delhi ICSI வந்து செப்பரேட் ஆக்ட் ஆஃப் பார்லிமெண்டால் கான்ஸ்டியூட் செய்யப்பட்டது. இந்த கம்பெனி செக்ரட்டரிஸ் ஆக்ட் வந்து 1980 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுது. கம்பேர்ட் டு அதர் 2 ப்ரொஃபஷன்ஸ், தட் இஸ் சார்ட்டர்ட் அக்கௌண்டன்ஸ் ஆக்ட் வந்து 1949 கான்ஸ்டியூட் செய்யப்பட்டது. காஸ்ட் அக்கௌண்டன்ஸ் ஆக்ட் வந்து 1959 கான்ஸ்டியூட் செய்யப்பட்டது. எங்கள் கம்பெனி செக்ரட்டரிஸ் ஆக்ட் வந்து 1980 கான்ஸ்டியூட் செய்யப்பட்டது. மொத்தமாக இந்தியாவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 72 சாப்டர்ஸ் இருக்குது. சதர்ன் இந்தியாவில் 14 சாப்டர்ஸ் இருக்குது. சென்னையில் வந்து ரீஜனல் ஆஃபீஸ் இருக்குது. நாலு ரீஜனல் ஆஃபீஸ் இருக்குது. சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி நார்த்தர்ன் இந்தியா, நார்த்தர்ன் ரீஜன், வெஸ்டர்ன் ரீஜன், ஈஸ்டர்ன் ரீஜன் அண்ட் சதர்ன் ரீஜன். சதர்ன் ரீஜன் ஹெட் குவார்ட்டர்ஸ் வந்து சென்னையில் இருக்குது, நுங்கம்பாக்கம், வீக் கிராஃப்ஸ் ரோட்டில். இந்த கோர்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 65,000 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஒரு 3.5 lakh ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் படிக்கிறாங்க இந்த கோர்ஸ் ஆல் ஓவர் இந்தியா. இந்த கோர்ஸுக்கு வந்து 3 ஸ்டேஜ் இருக்குது. CSCET, அது ஒரு என்ட்ரன்ஸ் லெவல் கோர்ஸ், ஒரு வருஷத்தில் 4 வாட்டி நடக்குது. அந்த கோர்ஸுக்கு ஃபீ வந்து 1000 rupees கட்டணும். எவ்வளோ வேணுனாலும் அந்த கோர்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 4 சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்குது. மினிமம் வந்து 40% மார்க், அக்ரிகேட்டில் 50% வாங்கணும். அது பாஸிங்கன்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் கோர்ஸ் வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ் வந்து எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் லெவல். எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் லெவலுக்கு செப்பரேட்டாக ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணணும். இந்த எக்ஸாம்ஸ் வந்து ஜூன்லேயும் டிசம்பர்லேயும் நடக்கும். நிறைய எக்ஸாம் சென்டர்ஸ் இருக்குது ஆல் ஓவர் சவுத் இந்தியா. இப்போ தமிழ்நாடு சென்னை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 7 எக்ஸாம் சென்டர்ஸ் இருந்தது லாஸ்ட் டைம். இப்போ வந்து இந்த கோவிட் இருக்கிறதுனால we will have to maintain social distancing அதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு more exam centers are needed. And we have exams conducted ஜூன்லேயும் டிசம்பர்லேயும் வந்து எக்ஸாம்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. சென்ட்ரலைஸ்ட் வேல்யூவேஷன் ரிசல்ட்ஸ் சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி February 25th ஆகஸ்ட் 25th டிக்ளேர் ஆகும். டிசம்பர் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் வந்து February 25th, ஜூன் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் வந்து ஆகஸ்ட் 25th எக்ஸாம் ரிசல்ட்ஸ் டிக்ளேர் ஆகும். அண்ட் வேறு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் விஷயம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கம்பெனிஸ் ஆக்ட் 2013 அது கம்பல்சரி அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் பற்றி பேசுது. ஆக்ட் இஸ் ஸ்பீக்கிங் அபவுட் கம்பல்சரி அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் கம்பெனி செக்ரட்டரிஸ். அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பெய்டப் கேபிட்டல் எப்போ 10 கோடி தாண்டுதோ அப்போ வந்து எல்லா கம்பெனியும் வந்து ஹோல் டைம் கம்பெனி செக்ரட்டரி எம்ப்ளாய் பண்ணணும். அந்த கம்பெனி செக்ரட்டரி வந்து கம்பெனியோட ரோல்ஸில் இருப்பாங்க. பெரிய பெரிய கம்பெனிஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போது பெரிய ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ஸ் இந்தியாவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாம் எசென்ஷியலாக கம்பெனிஸாக தான் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுறாங்க. இப்போ விப்ரோ இருக்குது, இன்ஃபோசிஸ் இருக்குது, TCS இருக்குது. தமிழ்நாடு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பெரிய பெரிய குரூப் இருக்குது, அமால்கமேஷன்ஸ் குரூப், TVS, சுந்தரமையங்கார் மோட்டோர்ஸ், அப்புறம் வந்து நிறைய குரூப் இருக்குது. அதில் எல்லாம் வந்து there will be company secretaries helping the board of directors. They are advising the board of directors on legal compliances, and they will also be key managerial personnel in such companies. அவங்க வந்து they will be a bridge between the they will be the connecting link between the board of directors and other stakeholders like shareholders, banks, financial institutions, creditors. So this is the nutshell about the profession.
பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு ஏதாவது சார்ஜஸ் ஏதாவது?
பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து எங்கள் ரீஜனல் லெவல்லையும் இருக்குது, ஹெட் குவார்ட்டர்ஸ் லெவல்லையும் இருக்குது.
அதுக்கு ஏதாவது சார்ஜஸ் ஏதாவது பண்ணுறீங்க?
சார்ஜஸ் இல்லை, ஃப்ரீ தான்.
Free.
அப்சல்யூட்லி.
போர்ட்டலும் இருக்குது, பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் போர்ட்டல் இருக்குது, வெப்சைட்டில் இருக்குது. ICSI.edu எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அதில் வந்து எல்லா ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸுமே லிஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. எல்லா ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் வந்து ஆன்லைன் இருக்குது.
ஸோ உங்கள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் ஃப்ரீயாக தான் பண்ணுங்க?
யா, ஃப்ரீயாக.
That is for trainees also and the members.
Members.
After
So for
appointment,
training also you can get the placement, and for
Members
after
also.
becoming
Employment also.
CS, then also you will get.
This overall duration of the courses for 4
There
years
is
or
4 to 5 years.
There is nothing called overall duration. There is CSCET. If you pass within next 9 months, you can write the
Next
executive. After the expiry of 9 months, you can give the executive exam. Similarly with that of professional. Good student who are really academically sound, they first attempt pass. Those who are not that, I do not want to say below average, but they are into every field. Probably they may take one more attempt. So therefore, for them it may take 4 years, as you rightly say, 4 or 5 years. But for a good student who is academically sound, academical bright, 3 ವರ್ಷ pass.
ജൂണിലും ഡിസംബറിലും വന്ന് മാറി മാറി അറ്റംപ്റ്റ്സ് എഴുതണം. ഇപ്പോൾ ജൂണിൽ ഫെയിൽ ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഡിസംബറിൽ എഴുതണം.
Eligibility and fees it is.
വിളിച്ചോ
Eligibility and fees.
brochure can.
പ്ലസ് ടു
Plus 2.
പ്ലസ് ടു
10 plus 2.
10 പ്ലസ് ടു.
And fees for every stage, that is CSET, executive and professional, and there are exam fees. Total fees will not go beyond 20,000.
இப்போ நீங்கள் இன்ஜினியரிங் மெடிக்கலில் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய லேக்ஸ் அண்ட் லேக்ஸ் ஆகிடும்.
And in the fees you will get the books also.
Study
Study material
materials.
Study
கிடைக்கும்.
material is provided by us,
Study
and on
material.
that exam is done.
அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த ட்ரைனிங் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்குது, 24 months ட்ரைனிங் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். அது வந்து கம்பெனிஸ்லேயே பண்ணலாம், இல்லாட்டினா எங்களை மாதிரி ப்ராக்டிசிங் கம்பெனி செக்ரட்டரிஸ் கூட பண்ணலாம். அது
21
ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணலாம் இன்ஸ்டியூட்.
21 months practical training.
3 months
3 months EDP
அப்படி.
training.
இன்ஸ்டியூட்டோட
Communication
ட்ரைனிங்
skill,
ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ்.
Communication skill,
Soft.
soft skill, all.
Key managerial personnel ആക്കാം കമ്പനി സെക്രട്ടറി, along with the board of directors, managing director, chief executive officer, chief finance officer. Company secretary is also a key managerial person.